All right, well, here's where the pool is today. Man, we have come a long, long way. We got all the concrete done around the pool, including some drainage work. Our concrete contractor and our general contractor worked together to figure out the perfect slope for all the concrete to keep from having water pooling around the property. So it slopes toward this wall, and it slopes down toward that corner, so it carries all the water away on this side. This side we chose to put this little mini trough drain in here, and so that picks up any water that comes out of the pool and any water that falls in the form of rain over here next to the house, and drops it in over here. And this little trough drain has a drain pipe that goes from here over here to this drain line here. This is actually where our sump drain comes out from our crawl space. We got a dehumidifier down there, so there's a sump pump there, and it pumps out every once in a while. So the guys use a saddle tap underneath the concrete here and brought that little mini trough drain in. And then this side of the pool, everything goes, toward the hillside and drains away. This is what it looks like, all finished up. We were able to enjoy it a couple of weekends ago. Our boys both have birthdays at the end of the summer, and so we were able to have a bunch of their little friends over and some family and have just a blast. The kids lined up and used the diving board all afternoon. I mean, it was just one after another after another. So, that's just, that was awesome. So the ladder turned out great. Kids were jumping out of the pool there, and then coming over here and lining up and going off the diving board one after another. It was just so cool to see that. And they loved the fountains. Big kids and little kids alike loved playing in the deck jets. So they turned out really great. Not only are they nice when the kids are in the pool, but they're also nice when we're just sitting out here. I've got them turned up pretty high right now, so we can actually back them down so they're just maybe a couple feet tall, and give you a nice little bit of water splashing in the background, a little ambiance. But need to get them adjusted. Kids have been messing with them, and they're pointing in not quite perfect direction here, so I need to get them back adjusted. But overall, they look fantastic. So that's it for the pool for now. I do have a couple more things I need to take care of here in the pool house. I got to get our heater hooked up, and I got to get the exhaust stack run up through the roof. We are going to take the roof off the pool house pretty soon, and I'm just going to run the duct straight up through the roof there. But we've got to get the gas line hooked up so we can get our heater turned on. Here's the gas line here. So I'll get that straightened up and put one of those concrete anchors here and bolt the gas line to it, and then it'll come out of here and go to the gas line right there. Provide gas to our heater. We also have a 3/4 inch water line here and an electric conduit that comes from the house for power supply here. So I'm going to get a couple things finalized here, but really it's pretty much done. I got to get our automatic water fill hooked up, and that'll be nice. We won't have to keep an eye on the water quite so well. It will automatically sense when the water drops to a certain level, and then we'll kick the water on and add more water to the pool. So I won't have to take care of that myself with the garden hose. And then I think that's it. Everything else is done in the pool house. So the pool house is going to undergo some pretty serious renovations at some point. You can see a footer that we had poured here. And what we're going to do is add some additional block wall that'll be keyed into the block wall on the back of the pool house. And it'll come over here and come out to meet the patio, and then go across and be tied into this wall over here. And this will be a bathroom. We're going to make this a full story, and this is going to be a bathroom. We've got a sewer line under the leaves there that goes over and across, and is daylighted over there on the hill. And when we're ready to get our bathroom hooked up, we'll have the city come out and hook the sewer line up. That's going to be great. That's going to give us a nice bathroom out here that the kids can use and adults as well. We don't have to worry about people splashing and going through the house or slipping on the wet floor in there and busting the rear ends. They can just stay out here and use the bathroom. It'll be a lot better. So that's the plan. But that's kind of phase 2. We're not going to work on that right now. But that's pretty much it for the pool area. We got the patio done out back here. That's in great shape. We got the air conditioning all hooked up. We got the generator hooked up. You can see it down there. So we're ready to go there. Pretty much everything's done out here except for building the back porch. And that's going to be phase 2 also. We're going to tackle that probably next spring. Meanwhile, we're going to be focusing on the inside of the house, making it livable. So tonight, I'm going to go inside and put down some slate tile. And then we got a whole bunch of hardwood floors to install and everything else. So it's lots of exciting stuff going on, trying to get this house ready to move in. All right, well, that's going to do it for this episode of Whitmire Estate Revival. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us while we completed our pool renovations. We've got a few more odds and ends to take care of around here, as I mentioned. And then sadly, we're going to have to close this guy in for the winter. Today is the first official day of fall. Temperatures are cooling off a little bit. Leaves are starting to drop. And, you know, unfortunately, we're going to have to shut it down here probably in the next few weeks. Meanwhile, I do want to get that heater fired up, get the water warmed up so we can go ahead and enjoy it a little bit more before we do have to shut it down. Be sure to hit that subscription button so you don't miss a single episode. And give us a like if you would, please. If you got any comments or questions, be sure to leave those down below. And as always, please share the channel with your friends and family. We've got lots more exciting stuff to come. We're moving inside for the rest of the year to go ahead and knock out a bunch of flooring and get this place move-in ready. So keep tuning back in. We'll have another update soon. Take care. Bye-bye.